Hello, my name is Yogesh Padar and I am the student of Abasaheb Garvare College studying in SYBSC Division B, roll number 8424. I am here to represent poster. My poster topic is graphene and its application. So, the abstract of the topic is what is graphene? Graphene is a crystalline allotrope of carbon with two-dimensional properties. Graphene is very thin and nearly transparent material and it is a single layer of graphite. It is 200 times stronger than steel and conducts heat and electricity. Graphene is a single layer of carbon atom bound in hexagonal lattice in the form of sp2 hybridization. Property of graphenes are high electrical conductivity, high elasticity and flexibility, hardness and resistance. It is not affected by ionizing radiation, able to generate electricity by the exposure to sunlight, high thermal conductivity, and it is not affected by ionizing radiation. Application of graphene in biomedical. Application in cancer treatment. Cancer is a combination of variety of disease that includes uncontrolled abnormal cells which can grow in any part of the body. After a series of tests in cancer cells, scientists discovered that graphene oxide GO targets and neutralizes this hard heavy cancer cell. Application of graphene in drug delivery. The main goal of drug delivery is to deliver therapeutic agents inside the diseased region in a controllable manner while having a fewer side effects on a healthy tissue. Drug delivery is a prominent biomedical application of graphene in nanomaterial. In the current scenario, graphene nanomaterial is the future of healthcare industry. Application of graphene in diabetes monitoring. Scientists developed a blood glucose test which does not pierce the skin, unlike currently used finger prick test. This graphene based test include graphene sensor. It detects the glucose by pulling it from the fluid present between the cells. This does not end up only the painful method of blood sugar monitoring but also increase the accuracy of the result. Application of graphene in batteries. Graphene enhanced lithium ion batteries shows incredible characteristics such as fast charging, longer lifespan and higher capacity, as well as flexibility and lightness, and so that it could be used in wearable electronics. Graphene as a UV sensor. UV sensors are used for detecting dangerous level of ultraviolet radiation which can lead to skin problems or even cancer. However, it is not only the use of UV sensor, it is also used in military, optical communication and environmental monitoring as well. Graphene may not present a high photo responsivity, but when it is combined with other materials, they create flexible, transparent, environmental friendly and low cost UV sensor, which will lead to technologies such as wearable electronics in close future. Application of graphene in water purification. Normally, water purification is not a simple process and feasibility of the process depends on how heavily the water is contaminated. An Australian scientist found a process to purify water in one step, and it is a low cost technique in which graphene is used as a filter. This filter can clean the dirtiest water and make it drinkable. It is most efficient, cheaper and environmental friendly compared to other methods. Thank you for being here today. I really appreciate that you took the time to be here and listen my presentation. Thank you.